Hey, maybe you know that your friend need time, that your lover need time, but it is not enough because he or the she don't need only time. She need quality time. You know, you cannot be with your friend in a moment and you speak to her. You are in restaurant or you are in a moment together and you are in your phone chatting or speaking with someone else. So that is not quality time. Quality time is one when you are with someone and you are entirely with this person. So don't spend bad time, but you have to spend quality time with your friend. So whatever where you are now, so this message is for you and you can send it to someone else who don't know how to spend the time.